how do you make it that easy?
12 years of Maxfort magic.
12 years.
Let me show you.
At Maxfort Learning Tech started early. We did not just draw ideas, we built them.
Maxfort kids don't just imagine innovation, they innovate. From click to code, Maxfort builds creators, not just users. See, that's why Maxfort kids are always a step ahead. Maxfort doesn't just teach tech, it shapes tech pioneers. Maxfort turns tech dream into reality, one code at a time. I'll do it.
You wouldn't need any help if you studied at Maxfort.